What is up, guys? Welcome to, let's see, the 24th intermediate Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to be building the window that our panel goes in. But before we get to that, I want to read you a little MLIA I found last night. And in case you don't know, this is a little app for my iPod. It says, "Today I tried calling my sister again and again. When I saw her the next day, I asked why she didn't answer her phone. Her reason? She changed her ringtone to The Circle of Life, and she and her husband reenacted the first scene of Lion King with her baby boy each time the phone rang." So, with that being said, I suggest any of you who have kids to do that. Now that I got that under my system, let's go ahead and continue with my tutorial. So in the last tutorial, what we pretty much did is build the panel. Now the panel is pretty much this big white space on the window, and the J-frame is the window itself, and this is the scroll bar on the right hand side, the title bar. So what happens is, in Java language, well, let's say in Windows language, the body goes in the window, but in Java language, the panel goes in the frame. Why they named it two different things? Just because people want to be different, you know? And it confuses the rest of us, but hopefully I simplified that for you. So like I said, in the last tutorial we built the panel, now we have to build the frame. So let's go ahead and do a couple things first. Our program consists of a slider and it's underneath a panel. So let's go ahead and let's make that slider right now. That's what I'm trying to say. J slider, and this J slider is already a class, so don't worry about building this. So I'm going to go ahead and name my slider slider because, I'm not trying to confuse you guys. So now that we got a slider variable, we need a panel object because, of course, we didn't make that for nothing. So let's go ahead and put private draw oval because that was the name of our other class. If your class is named different, then don't copy me. And I'm just going to name mine my panel, and this is what's going to sit inside of our frame. So now what do we need to do with, with this class that we're making? We're only going to be making one method, and that's actually the constructor. So as you can see, I named mine the window because, that's what we're making, the window. So let's go ahead, and in order to make the constructor, go public the window, and it's not going to take any arguments. So inside your constructor, let's go ahead and first, in order to change the title of the window, and your title bar appears at the very top of your window or frame. People call it frame, but I'm going to be saying window. If I use them interchangeably, don't blame me. So in order to change the title, what we need to do is put super, because we need to call the super class, which is JFrame right here, and just go ahead and pass it in whatever you want to put. I'm just going to put the title. Keep things really simple for you guys. So that's set up that J slider you'll see in the next tutorial. We made a title, we changed our background to orange, and we also finished building our slider and put some cool tick marks on it. So that's all the time I have for this tutorial. I'm probably going to go eat a piece of cake, and yeah, like you guys cared about that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next tutorial.